What's going on, guys? This is Ethan over at Easy Auto Spot in the Athens location, and we've got a cool project back here we're working on. So we have this cool looking green Bronco that we're doing the customer actually wanted to kind of add a little customization, make it a little bit more unique to what he liked. So we're adding some stripes, some hockey style stripes all the way down the side. So as you can see through here, these come across the hood, coming down the side all the way down, and they're a really cool antique bronze color. One of the coolest thing about this that I actually liked the most was that we ordered a set of badges to go with it. So we have the Bronco nameplate to go on the back and the scripted name. I don't know if you can see that or not, but this actually we got painted to match the color of the stripes. So everything will match exactly what he has on there. So we're doing that. We're also going to do a little protection to it. We're doing some paint protection film across the front end. So all the painted surfaces on the front, and we're doing the sides of the doors, the bottom of the doors, to protect it from the rocks flinging up from these oversized tires. As you can see in the background, we're doing some window tint on it right now with our ceramic film, so he's going to get the heat protection as well. Doing the full windshield, doing the sides. And then after all that's said and done, after the film goes on, we're going to do a ceramic coating on everything to give it that nice, sexy, wet, sleek look that's going to make it easier to clean. When he does take it off-road, he's going to be able to bring it in, wash it right off, and it's going to look great for him. So I'm excited to see how this turns out. Looking great already. The stripes look awesome, and yeah, check it out.